Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're taking a small break from the weather because it's going to be a busy night to warm up the studio with some apricot raisin hot cross buns. Just in time for Easter. And there's a reason they're just in time for Easter. Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us. Thank you so much for coming down. Thankfully, at least the weather for today, getting here, not too bad.
You did great getting me here, and I appreciate
Hopefully
that.
we can get you back home just fine as well.
Right.
So what have we got going here?
I love this recipe. It is such a beautiful dough, and I thought with this being Easter, this is the perfect recipe to get the family involved in the kitchen and have these beautiful rolls for your dinner this weekend. You can make the dough ahead of time, and it's just a beautiful dough. It's got apricots and raisins in it, and it's a very rich dough. Let that rise, and then you're going to make this, and we have the recipe that's on your website for the total yeast dough. But then you're going to make it into rolls, and I just made 3 here for us to look at and show. But they could rise just a little bit more. And I can't say it's cold outside. You've got a beautiful morning for us today.
We do.
But before they go in the oven, you just want to make that X because that's your hot cross bun. And as they bake, then that will open up, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. A serrated knife works really good, and there you have that. But do all of them before they go in the oven. And then our next step is let them bake at 375 for about 18 minutes in there. And then until they're nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to show you this. When they come out of the oven, you see how it's opened up for us there. That makes our hot cross. Now, you've got one and I've got one, and we have a glaze here. And this glaze is just a little bit of milk and powdered sugar. And we're just going to put that on each of the rolls. There we go.
Can never have enough glaze.
Never can have enough
especially
glaze.
The kids.
And then we're going to take the dried apricots that I put on, just sliced them into thin little pieces here, and put them where our little hot cross is. That kind of shows up there. And then what I like to do is take just a little bit more of the glaze and dab it. And then as it dries, oh, there it came off there. As it, that will set that on and the apricot won't fall off. And there we have a beautiful basket here with our rolls. Makes 24 for the holidays. And then just real quick, I want to add that we have this wonderful new book that's available from the Soy Nutrition Institute, and everybody can get a copy. They can contact our office at 877-KS Soybean, or they can look for the link on the website. But it's 15 pages of great information and recipes.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, we'll have all this information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We will be back with more right after this.